In this part we are going to learn about class and ID. So why do we need class and ID in CSS? To understand that, I am going to declare some paragraph. Okay, so we have 5 paragraphs and we have already attached our HTML and CSS through this link tag. So we can directly go in our CSS and I can say P and then change it font size to 24 pixel and color to red. Okay, so as we can see, all our paragraph is red now, but the thing is I want this paragraph 1 in blue color and then rest of it in red color. So how we can do that? So let's go back in HTML. So we need to somehow find a way to uniquely select this paragraph 1, and for that we are going to give it a class. Okay, so I have given it a class of name text. You can take any name you like. So we are going to go back in CSS, and then to target a class we need to start with a dot and then class name. So dot text in this case, and then I'm going to say color to blue. Now the first paragraph is in blue color. By the way, we can also give it a ID instead of class, but the thing with class is classes can repeat. I can give same class to this one as well, and this will be blue also. Same style is being applied to both of them. In CSS we generally use classes and we use ID when we work with JavaScript. So I'm going to give it a ID for now, ID text2. Okay, so ID text2. Now I'm going to refer this ID in our CSS. So to refer a ID we need to start with hash and then ID name, that is text2 in this case. Then I'm going to give it a color of yellow, maybe not very visible, so we can give it a background color of black. So this is why we use class and ID in CSS, to uniquely identify a tag and style it a little bit different from others. We can have multiple elements of same class name, that is class name can repeat, but IDs are unique throughout the whole document. We can't have elements with same ID. I hope you guys understand this quick video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.